there's nothing in here.
Hey, wait.
I'll be okay. I'm not going in too far. Besides, we should find out what kind of boss we're dealing with. How else are we gonna figure out how to beat it?
Yeah, I know. It's just...
Hey! Hang on, Corvots!
I can't believe it.
Oh, what the hell? Get out! I got you, buddy. Thanks. This'll take forever.
Get out of there!
Kirito! The only way to end this is if I use it. But then... Damn it! Just use it already! Hey, Klein! Asuna! Listen! I need 10 seconds! Keep him off me! Yeah, you got it! Okay, I'm ready! Switch out! Okay, here goes. Starburst Stream! What the hell kind of skill is that? Faster! Gotta go faster! Is it
That was too close. How long was I out for?
Just a few seconds. You reckless idiot!
Jeez, don't hug me so hard. I'll lose the last of my HP.
Korvac and 2 of his men are the only ones who didn't make it.
We haven't lost a player in a boss fight since floor 67.
That wasn't a boss fight, that was suicide. Korvac was a damn fool. There's no point to any of this if you die. You're not off the hook either. What the hell did you do just now?
I don't think you want to know.
Oh, come on! I've never seen anything like that before!
It's an extra skill I picked up. Duel-Welding.
Huh? Dude, are there prerequisites?
If I knew that, I'd have shared it by now.
It's not on the info broker's skill list. Guess it's exclusive to you. Hey, you got a unique skill. Way to stay on the down low, Kirito. How can you keep an awesome secret like this from your buddies?
About 6 months ago, I was scrolling through my skill menu, and it was just there. Duel-Welding. But if anyone else found out I had a skill like this...
They'd get pissed because you had something they didn't. Well, some gamers are like that, but not me. You're right, though. People would definitely be jealous you had that. And that. Well, they say your character's built by life's challenges, so keep soldiering on, young man.
Easier said than done.